Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm your host, Don, and for today's episode, I'll be talking about the Nearstream AM10X. This is a podcast mic. Thought I'd introduce it as so. I've been using this mic for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, for a $60 XLR/USB microphone, it is by far one of the best mics I've used in a while. There is one major downside to this mic and one minor downside, but the minor downside can be canceled out, and I will tell you why when we get to it. Maybe even the major one. It really depends. But let's get into it. Introducing the Nearstream AM10X, a versatile broadcast quality dynamic microphone built for creators, podcasters, and streamers seeking professional sound. Equipped with a custom dynamic capsule and supercardioid polar pattern, the AM10X captures audio with exceptional quality, clarity, while minimizing ambient noise. Its dual XLR and USB connectivity options allow for seamless integration with both professional setups and USB compatible devices, including computers, tablets, and phones. With real-time monitoring, adjustable audio gain, and built-in AI noise cancellation, this microphone ensures balanced, distortion-free sound, making it ideal for quality recording, live streaming, and gaming. When I talked with Nearstream about sending out this mic for review, I thought the box was going to be small and I would only receive a mic and have to find my own mic arm or mic stand. My expectations for what would actually come in the package were pretty low, which in itself exceeded my expectations. So far into this experience, I'm impressed by the unboxing alone. The size is pretty standard for a podcast mic. The settings are simple. You have a dial/button that you use to control all of the mic settings. The dial controls the noise cancellation and volume of the mic, plus the headphone volume. You click once to turn on noise cancellation, and you click again to turn it off. You click once and hold down to switch over to control the volume of the headphones and the microphone. These settings are only for when you are using the USB-C option. With the XLR option, it is all controlled by the device you're using. Like I'm using the Sony FX3 right now, so the volume is controlled through the camera. Nearstream is serious about their noise cancellation, and I have to say it is good noise cancellation quality. But now with that, can't make this video without an audio sample. I'll cycle through all of the settings of the mic using the USB-C port, the XLR port, and give a sample of what it sounds like with the onboard mic from a computer. Right now I'm using a 2019 MacBook, so if you have a MacBook with an updated mic, test out the quality of yours to reference compared to the mic that's in this computer and this microphone. I'm throwing this in to test the comparison to computer onboard microphone because I run virtual meetings with clients and I've gotten feedback about audio quality when using headphones or the onboard mic. Thought this would be helpful for those who are looking for a good cheap microphone and are considering like the mic that I have on my computer is good enough. I'll be reading a script for this. I remember when I first stumbled across the first content creator I subscribed to based on the content they were creating. Not because they were talking about gear, but because they were documenting their experience. About 5 years ago, that was when I started watching YouTube to follow along with creators on their journey and transition from using it as a tool or solely as a tool for information. I did a 30-day detox, and now that I'm back from that 30-day detox, I'm primarily using YouTube for information again. And I'm guessing it's because content has changed. A lot of the creators I hopped on the platform for are now gone, or their content has changed and transitioned to something else. But in general, content really just isn't what it used to be. The I/O is straightforward. You have an XLR jack, 3mm jack for monitoring, and a USB-C port for connecting the mic to your computer, tablet, or phone. The one major downside to this mic is that the noise cancellation feature only works when using the USB-C port. I would love to have these features when using the XLR option. I will honestly only use the XLR option because I record directly into the camera and I don't see myself ever using the USB-C port option. So I do want to say, when you plug in the microphone into the computer, the light that's here does not turn on. That means that those internal AI features are not working from my understanding. When I reached out to Nearstream, they said that the drivers only work for the USB-C option and that when XLR, you're basically using the microphone itself, which is still great quality. Now when you use the USB-C option, the light turns on, you see a red, green, or blue light. That's how you know that you are accessing the features. Now the minor downside is that the mic arm is low quality, but if you know you're going to be investing in a better quality one later on, then you can cancel this one out. Now, what do you think of this mic? Let me know down in the comments below while staying awesome. Stay awesome.